Hey, and welcome to day 13. Okay, so we'll get started. Today's practice is simply 10 minutes. Super quick, that's all you need. And it is a strong practice moving into the core. So I just quickly want to mention these 10-minute core exercises in these days, like the 10-minute days. I just want you to know that it has nothing to do with getting flat abs, with getting that physique, weight loss, none of that. It's all about how you feel, how strong you feel in your body and in your mind, and simply all about having that sense of power and mobility in your body. So core exercises are important for your yoga practice because we're moving a lot with the belly and allowing for that life prana just to kind of move all the way through us. Remember, the core is not simply the belly, it's also the lower back. So we want that back to be nice and healthy. Okay, so we'll get started. To come all the way up towards the top of your mat. Feet are pressed down. I'm starting the timer. It's 10 minutes. If we get this done before 10 minutes, then whoo for us. But just carve off 10 minutes of your day today, okay? Pressing your feet down, inhale as you begin to reach your chest forward, relaxing those shoulders down your back. And from here, begin to lean with your arms forward, begin to lean back. Lifting your feet off of your mat. So I encourage you to start off like this. I mean, if you want to go into full boat, then awesome, do that. But I truly encourage you to start here. Reach your chest forward, belly draws in, deep long inhale. As you exhale, reaching your arms up and lean all the way back. Good. Deep long inhale. Exhale, reach forward and back. Exhale and back. Exhale and back. Exhale, halfway there and back. Exhale 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 and back. One more as a bonus. Exhale and back. Good. From here, releasing your palms to your sides, begin to draw your knees in. Relaxing those shoulders, pressing your palms down. Deep, long inhale, reaching your legs up. With your exhale, hover. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, hover. Inhale, up. You can either point your toes. Inhale, up or flex. Exhale. And up. 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 Relaxing those shoulders. Exhale. And up. Two more. Exhale. And up. Exhale. And up. Bending into those knees. Good job. Placing your feet so they're inner hip width distance apart, relaxing those shoulders down your back. Pressing your palms down. Your palms pressed down are a part of this. So deep, long inhale, slowly begin to lift your hips off of your mat. Drawing your heels in towards you, belly draws in, relaxing those shoulders. Inhale here. Exhale, slowly lower, and you're hovering. Inhale, lift. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Really drawing those glutes in. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale for 2 more. Inhale. Pressing the back of your neck down. And inhale. Exhale all the way down. Good. Interlace your fingers behind your neck or the base of your head. Begin to reach so that your shoulder blades are lifted. And from here, pressing your knees together, toes together, deep long inhale, drawing those feet and your hip over towards the left. And drawing your elbows over towards the left. Good. Coming back to center, we'll get that on the right. That's 1. Exhale. 2. 3. 4. 6. 7. 9. 10. Whew. Good job. So you're really kind of squeezing yourself in, but then you're moving from side to side. From here, come all the way up, and we're moving into a plank. I'm going to give you 2 options. You can either stay up high in a plank, moving into side plank like so, or you can come down so that your forearm is kind of laid out in front of you, and you're using your entire forearm as a base. Relaxing those shoulders down your back, taking your feet towards the back, and here we go, over towards the right. Deep long inhale, exhale, lowering your hip, inhale up, exhale, up, exhale, that's 3, halfway, exhale, and lift, exhale, and lift, last one, exhale, and lift. Awesome. The fact that we have 2 sides, we're gonna have to do the other. Inhale, reach over towards the left. Here we go. Exhale and lift. Exhale and lift. Try not to collapse your shoulder. And lift, halfway. Lift. Lift, last one. Lift. Awesome job. Okay, all the way down onto your belly. From here, extending your arms out in front of you. Relaxing those shoulders down your back. Untuck your toes. Coming all the way down onto your belly, your forehead. Here we go. As you exhale, begin to lift your arms, legs off of your mat, relaxing those shoulders. And come down. That's 1. Exhale. And down. Exhale. Down. Exhale. Down. Exhale. And down. Last one. Come on. Exhale. And down. Palms underneath your shoulders. Tuck your toes in. Lift up into plank. Ah, we did it with 24 seconds to spare. High fives, high tens. Okay, so there you have it. You're probably glistening. I definitely am. Now all I have to do is just breathe into my belly. So if you'd like to come down, cross your legs. So palms over top of your knees. Relaxing those shoulders down your back and allow yourself to close your eyes. Placing your right palm over top of your belly, left palm on your heart. And just notice your breath. Drawing that breath in towards your belly. Relaxing your hips, relaxing your knees. Noticing your heartbeat normalizing, your belly normalizing, your breath. As you slowly release your palms to your sides, relaxing those shoulders down your back and blink your eyes open. Thank you for practicing with me today. That was a tough one for me. I will catch you tomorrow, day number 14, 2 weeks.